Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. This week's plan with me is going to be for the week of Valentine's Day. So I did pull out a few things from my stash that I think I want to use. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, so I pulled out a whole bunch of stuff. These are sheets of, don't look at the date because I have had these for 2 years and I probably should be embarrassed that I've held on to these for so long, but I forgot that I had these, and as I've been looking through my stuff I found them. But these are from like those desk calendars that you rip off, and I kept them because I just love the designs on them. So I thought maybe I could use one of these for Valentine's Day. I don't know, we'll see. They might be too big to fit in the spread, but I just pulled them out, and there's more. I don't remember if I can find the calendar because I bought one for 2019. If I can find that calendar, I will link it down below, but it says today's going to be great or something like that on the front, and it's just one of those rip-off ones. So if you guys want one of those, I will try and find it and link it down below for you guys. I also pulled out some Project Life cards. These are from the Honey collection, I believe, and I have a whole bunch of Project Life core kits because I once upon a time said I was going to do Project Life and that never happened. So I have a whole bunch of core kits and cards. So I just pulled out the ones that had anything to do or that looked like it would be good for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to try and use these, or maybe, I don't know. And then this is a scrapbook pad that I bought a long time ago, and I remember the exact day that I bought it, and I think Valentine's Day had passed at this point, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use it for future Valentine's Day. And I'm like, guess what, muchacha, it's been multiple Valentine's Day since then, and I have never used it. So at least I don't think I've used it. I don't remember using it, and it doesn't look like any pages are missing. So I'll probably pull out a couple sheets from here. And then these are just some Bando stickers that I got from Marshall's. And these are some Valentine's Day die cuts. And then just a whole bunch of other little things. These have more die cuts. I was thinking of using the alpha letters. I'm not sure about that yet. And then these are just some stickers that I've had for a very long time. Well, maybe not that. No, maybe like 2 years. And as you can see, I've used up all the other stickers. So I'm going to try and use up the rest of these. Maybe. I don't know yet. We'll see. And then these are like this is a more recent purchase is what I'm trying to say. So I might pull some stickers from here. These are from Tuesday morning. I also pulled out my stamps just in case. I feel like I'm trying to do too much. So we'll see. I don't know if the stamps are going to work. I'm going to go ahead and pull my pages out. Okay, so I think I am going to go ahead and use some of these stickers just because I want it to be a little bit more colorful than pink and red. So I think I'm going to use these and then this as like washi, I guess. Like this has, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like love, like what is love, what is a Valentine, sweetheart, heart, just different definitions. So I think I want to use that. Okay, so I think for the boxes, I'm actually going to use these 2 heart sheets, and then this I'm probably just going to cut stuff out. But I was thinking of, I want to put this on the sidebar, but it's kind of, you know, skinny. So I think I'm going to layer it over this heart scrapbook paper and then see how that looks. Do I need to pull out my paper cutter? I don't want to get it out because then I have to put it away. But I know I can't. I'm not going to be able to cut a straight line. So I guess I'll just go ahead and get it out. Try to center that as best I could, but I think it's still a little crooked. It's fine. We're just gonna lay it like that because I think this is a permanent adhesive, so I don't want to like rip anything up. I wanted to keep this quote down here, but now I don't know if that's gonna look funny. I'm just gonna align it with this line up here, and then if it looks funny, then I'll put a sticker over it or something. Does look a little funny, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now until I figure out what I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna take these and just use my Happy Planner punch to punch out some squares. All right, so I went ahead and pulled out the Project Life cards that I think I want to use, and then I pulled out these scissors. Actually, I didn't even realize that they were with my paper cutter, and I saw them, and I wasn't planning on using them, but then I saw the Project Life card. Where is it? This one. And I think I want to put that, sorry, this washi tape is just flying everywhere. I think I want to put that right over here somewhere, but I didn't want to just cut like a straight edge. I didn't think that would look good, so I don't like these. But I'm thinking either this one or this one. It has the designs on it, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. Hey guys, so originally I had wanted this entire video to be a talk through, and halfway through filming the video, I noticed that my mic wasn't plugged in, so I had just completely stopped talking. I thought that the video was just done, and I was like, I'm just gonna do a voiceover. But now in playback, I realized that the audio sounds okay. Well, it sounds okay on my end. I'm not sure how it sounds on you guys' end, but I think it was fine, which is why I left a little bit of the talk through in the beginning. But yeah, I just decided to do a voiceover for the rest of the video. But last week was just crazy. I don't know if I mentioned, I don't think I mentioned, but my sister was supposed to have a party on Valentine's Day, and you know, we had bought the decorations, and I was supposed to help her set up and everything. And then out of nowhere, she just got really sick. I don't remember if it was like Tuesday or Wednesday night. And her husband was out of town. She was by herself. So I ended up going to her house. And it ended up just being like really, really bad vertigo. So I ended up staying at her house for most of the week up until about Saturday. So I didn't really do much last week because I was, helping her, just helping her around her house because she couldn't really move because she was so dizzy. But anyway, I still really like the way this week turned out. Last week was All-Star Weekend in Charlotte, so I ended up going uptown on Sunday, even though I told myself I was not going to go uptown. So I had to go. So me and my friend Jessica went uptown on Sunday, and that was probably the most exciting thing I did last week. But anyway, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is this final spread, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.